In the 1950s, coal furnaces played a crucial role in home heating, utilizing natural convection. However, as time progressed, they were gradually replaced by more efficient gas and oil alternatives, reflecting a significant shift in energy sources. During this same decade, vacuum tube radios became synonymous with entertainment and communication. They cultivated a unique atmosphere for family gatherings, yet as technology advanced, they were eventually overshadowed by the advent of smaller, more portable transistor radios. In terms of urgent communication, telegrams were essential in the 1950s, providing a formal means to relay important messages. However, their relevance diminished with the rapid rise of telephones and fax machines, which offered quicker alternatives. The introduction of wringer washers transformed laundry practices for large households, significantly cutting down on drying time and effort. Yet, this innovation's popularity waned in the 1960s with the emergence of affordable, fully automatic washers. Before the widespread adoption of electric refrigerators, iceboxes were indispensable for food preservation. The daily routine of ice deliveries highlighted a major transformation in storage methods as refrigerators became standard in the 1950s. Similarly, milk delivery services once thrived by offering fresh milk directly to homes. However, as refrigerators enabled families to store milk independently, the convenience of regular deliveries began to fade by the 1950s. Television emerged as the centerpiece of family entertainment during the 1950s, transforming evenings into social events as families gathered to watch broadcasts. Affordable black and white sets swiftly became fixtures in homes across the nation. Moreover, the introduction of commercial flashbulbs in photography revolutionized indoor capturing during this decade. Families could now immortalize moments in low light with ease, making photography more accessible and enjoyable. Rotary dial phones dominated communication in the 1950s, allowing users direct dialing while ensuring greater privacy. Their prevalence set the stage for the evolution towards more efficient, personal phone calls before the arrival of push-button models. In a similar vein, the introduction of 8mm film transformed how families experienced entertainment. It allowed them to capture and relive cherished moments in motion, democratizing the art of filmmaking during the 1950s. Drive-in theaters became a cultural phenomenon, offering a unique cinematic experience. Patrons enjoyed personal audio through car speakers, making this intimate setting ideal for family outings and romantic dates. Automobile window wing vents were a crucial feature before air conditioning became the norm. They significantly improved driving comfort from the 1930s to the 1950s, though their use declined as air conditioning systems became standard in vehicles. A major shift in navigation occurred with the emergence of GPS and smartphone maps in the late 90s and 2000s. This innovation rendered traditional street directories obsolete, underscoring the rapid advancements in technology. Mechanical pencils gained traction in the mid-20th century, thanks to their convenience, which eliminated the constant need for sharpening. This feature proved particularly beneficial for students during exams. In the 1950s, manual ice crushers were a popular household gadget, making it easy for families to prepare crushed ice for entertaining guests. This practice remained common until electric versions became widely available. Additionally, key punch machines revolutionized the data entry process during the 1950s. They became vital for businesses and government institutions seeking faster data processing, greatly surpassing the efficiency of manual entry methods. Manual drafting tools still held importance for architects and engineers into the 1950s, reflecting the precision necessary for creating detailed designs. However, with the advent of CAD software, these tools gradually declined in use. Cigarette vending machines gained prominence in the 1950s as a convenient method for sales. Yet, growing health concerns and regulatory changes led to their decline by the 1990s, reflecting changing societal attitudes. Canning food became a vital practice for families to preserve meals, especially in households without refrigeration. This method ensured that families remained prepared for a range of situations. Percolators transformed home coffee brewing into a cherished ritual by the 1950s, establishing themselves as kitchen staples. Their unique brewing process created a robust flavor that coffee lovers truly valued. Lastly, the rise of home darkrooms enabled photography enthusiasts to unleash their creativity in developing films. This trend reached its peak in the 1950s before the digital camera era began to reshape the field.